Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Polokwane City 0. My brother, how's it?
Hey shap Ngobo, first of all Ngobo ngithanda ukubonga ama supporter we Kaizer Chiefs akhonile ukuza la stadium azo supporter kusho lutho lukhulu kithi abanye baye bayothanda indaba zabantu esayidini thina ezamakhosi sila sizo support abafana so Ngobo ngibonga kuwo wonke ama supporter aphumelele la FNB bazo support abafana.
Number 1, your take on the game today?
Ngobo inhlanhla mangekho ayikho. You understand? Ngoba like igame besiphethe sidlala kahle kamnandi but inhlanhla yalile kushaywa amapali kwenziwani ubonile mosinawe lapha phakathi khona igoli bemele silikore lapha but kube isibhidibhidi nje enye balikhipha ngenhloko okwenzekile kufana nokudaliwe and abafana mele bangazithatheli phansi best bangazithatheli phansi and bakwazi lo ukuthi asikweleti umuntu ukungena ku top 8 bangathathi lezi zinto abazoyikhuluma la kuma social media about iClub iKaizer Chiefs then bazibona baphansi no anikweleti umuntu akekho umuntu enomkweletayo ezithina ama support eKaizer Chiefs sinani ngaso sonke isikhathi sohlezi sinabo.
Beautiful. And a message yabo futhi like ukugcina going to the next season.
Ngithi abafana mabahlale ku drawing board babheka ama mistake abawenzile this season like uma this season mhlambe bayabona ukuthi mhlambe bengadlali as a team so next season mele badlale as a team guess what Ngobo like ayikho into endlula le season lena like ubonile umhlaba wonke unyakaza ujatshuliswa the same abafana laba bahluleke ungena ku top 8 you understand the same bona futhi yibo laba basenze sajabula yibo basenze sabane smile uma ungaya manje uyelapha eNaturena kune cup eNetbank you understand so into ekhona like kube khona like ama mistake inyana bekhona so angeke sibulale umuntu khumbula iphutha lenzeke ehlahleni lenzeke emntwini ophilayo so njengoba yenzeke emntwini ophilayo kumele bahlale phansi babuyisane bonke as a team bahlale phansi ukuthi manje singenza njani ngoba bayabona ukuthi sibayathandwa noma sidliwe noma kunjani ama supporter still alapha and guys ngicela ukubonga futhi kuhlubula crew ngibonga kuwo wonke ama supporter guys yo ayibafethu inzima la ukuthi singangeni top 8 but since celebration abafana celebrate nabo mele babe proud ngathi you understand mele babe proud ngathi ngoba like isupport abanayo akekho umuntu onayo like just imagine Sundowns senza kahle kanjani iPirate yenza kahle kanjani namuhla beyidlala ifinal but uma ungabheka stadium begcole lamanye ama supporter lawa angazazi ukuthi akuphi ngoba umuntu ozaziyo kumele abe la you understand ukukhumbule angisupport ibhola mina ngisupport iKaizer Chiefs i-team engisupportayo iKaizer Chiefs so uma ngisupport ibhola uya noma ikuphi like uba isiwe ngunyana umoya phuphutha uya le uyakhona uya le uyakhona then uzobuya uthi mina ngiKaizer Chiefs supporter no iKaizer Chiefs supporter lawa beka la
exactly
share out kulaba fethu bebala kulabo dade wethu bebala badlala indima enkulu kakhulu yabo so as ama supporter guys please guys next season please singa tshela ama player ukuthi hey makaphuma uzibani hey uzibani makangene guys thina asiwona ama coach bafethu thina singama support umsebenzi wethu as supporter guys ukuthi sizo supporter la sicule kube mnandi sibanikeza umdlandla not ukuthi sibathuke not ukuthi sibayehlisa khumbula uma umthuka umuntu uyambulala mentally uyambulala nje ukuthi makangena wazi wathi so wehlile already you understand so uma umntana wakho ayenza something mawuyomsupporta uthi umntanami uzoluza although mhlambe uwazi ukuthi mhlamba ngaluza but awusho ukuthi uzoluza uthi uzowina umntanami lapha yana so next season guys always home nathi masivaya sithi iKaizer Chiefs izowina.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.